transversus abdominis. A muscle that I forgot, or kind of glossed over accidentally, in the thigh region, it's called the tensor fascia lata. It leads to the IT band, and on this guy, it's this one, right here. This is the tensor fascia lata. It's actually smaller and thinner in reality than on this model.
It's got a long tendon to it, right?
Yeah, it forms what's called the IT band or the iliotibial tract, which is this here, still connective tissue sheath. This is tensor fascia lata. What's this muscle here that I forgot to do? Have the demo done? Sartorius. It's the Taylor's muscle, and we'll learn about that on Monday. Here,
Rectus femoris.
rectus femoris here, vastus lateralis here, vastus medialis. And it is fair game, if the vastus intermedius is in your lab manual, to ask you what muscle is deep to this.
Say that again.
Vastus intermedius.
Vastus intermedius. Is it in there? Yep. Okay. Because how many muscles are here in this group? Four. Remember, I'm not asking function on the practical, it's identification for these muscles. Okay?
We appreciate it a lot.
But it'll be all over your lecture exam. What are these three muscles here called? Hamstrings. Which one is this here? Semitendinosus. What am I pointing at now? Semimembranosus, and this here? Biceps femoris. Here? Gastrocnemius. And here? Soleus. What about this muscle here? Fibularis longus. When you're looking at these muscles, same thing up here, follow their tendons and see where they're going. Okay, don't just try to memorize without looking at their tendons. Okay, so this one, where's it going? It's coming down, its tendon splitting, and it's going and inserting onto the digits. So what's it called? It causes the digits to go like this. Extensor digitorum longus. Good. This one goes right in front of the tibia. Tibialis anterior. Good. And that's it. I just went all the way around. Right? The calf muscles. Extensor digitorum, tibialis. Hang on, let me do this again. I'm doing it on the opposite leg. Alright. Tibialis anterior, extensor digitorum longus. So we go this way, we're into the fibularis muscles. Gastrocnemius, soleus underneath. Right. I didn't address the adductors here. If I take the chest plate off and take his guts out, you will see those. You will see those hip flexors that I was talking about in lecture today, and I'm sure they're in your manual. Do we remember what this muscle is called? It's in the iliac fossa. This is the iliacus, and it combines with 86 here, known as the psoas major, to form the iliopsoas. So iliacus plus psoas major gives you iliopsoas, which comes down, they kind of fuse here, and come down into the thigh. The other muscle you need to know is this one, which is the adductor longus. And looking in the lab manual, that's really the only two adductors she shows you, or she points out, other than the gracilis. The gracilis is on there, right? Yeah. It's the most medial of the adductors. You can see it from both the front and the back. Okay? The gracilis. like I didn't do the intercostals. If we're way back here though, are these gonna be external or internal intercostals? External. How do you know? Because they extend all the way back here. Is that why they call them external? No, they call them external because they're closer to the surface. The internal intercostals come up, where's the chest plate? Come up close to the sternum, and obviously they're deeper, so these would be internal intercostals through here. Make sense? Tell me what I missed. I'm not sure. It's not much. Whatever I missed. Do you have to know yeah, thank you. Do you have to know scalenes? Or any of the neck muscles? Splenius capitis? Splenius cervicis? It's not in the manual, you don't need to know that.
The rhomboids.
Let me put this back together and we'll do rhomboids. This one isn't the greatest because there is not a big space, massive space like that in between the two rhomboids, like it shows. But again, they're named according to size. This is the rhomboid major, this is the rhomboid minor. Yeah. What else? Your gluteal muscles, right? Gluteus maximus and it's all covered with fascia, but the medius you can see popping through up here on some models. We good? With the muscles?
Will you use that at all for the muscles?
No. Nope. There might be some pictures with the really old beat up guy, but he's no different than these guys. And they'll be big muscles, bulky muscles. It's just because we used to use them in the past. It'll be fine, you'll see. I won't be asking you like little intricate differences. We used to do some deeper muscles like the supinator. That won't be on there. I'll delete that off. Some others as well. All right, on to bones, or do you want to take a break?